Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making some spicy and sweet wings that I'm gonna serve with some sweet chili sauce. I hope you guys gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Hi guys, I'm collaborating with Studio to bring you these gorgeous wireless headphones. Please make sure to check out the end of this video for more information on them. Now we're just gonna chop it finely. In goes the garlic. Of course, we're gonna add some mixed herbs here. Beautiful. A bit of red chili, salt, soy sauce. For some sweetness, I'm using a sugar, lemon juice for some freshness. Finish off with oil. A good mix. So here I've got beautiful wings. Just give them a little score. I'm gonna just add them in. Using around 10 to 12 wings. We're just gonna mix it here. Keep mixing it. Beautiful. Get all those juices inside those wings. We're gonna leave it to marinate for at least 15 minutes, or you can leave it overnight. Touch of oil in this grill. There you go, the first one. So we're just gonna sear the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Have a look. Look at that beautiful mark. Oh my days. So now I'm just gonna add those wings straight back into the marinade. Just give it a beautiful mix again in that marinade, you know. Add those wings in a tray. Just gonna add rest of the marinade on the top. Amazing. So in the oven at 200°C for 35 to 40 minutes. Sweet chili, finely chopped coriander, bit of the lemon juice, Worcester sauce, and finally some water. A good mix to this and it's all done. So here you have my sweet and spicy wings with some sweet chili sauce. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. Wow. Look at this. Get a bite. Perfectly cooked. So nice and juicy. Flavor's amazing. Wow. Look at this. Make it for your mom. Make it for your dad. Make it for your family. Enjoy it. Studio is a Swedish audio company, and this model right here is called Studio Neva White. It's got built-in microphone. It offers 3.5 hours of battery life. In fact, you get extra 4 charges with the charging case included, so that's a total of another 17.5 hours. So that's pretty good. The sound quality is really good. The case is pretty small in size, you know, you can just put it in your pocket straight. Another one of my favorite headphones is Studio Regent, which is again wireless. These premium headphones offers you 24 hours of battery life, and you can change these cups as well to match your own style, you know. Again, it's got a microphone. For more information on these headphones, please check out the links in the descriptions, and you will get a 15% discount if you use the code HalalChef15. Thank you, Studio. We love you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.